Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a Gooseneck equipment trailer. At the front we do have our Gooseneck hitch, as well as our safety chains and your breakaway cable. This trailer does have a heavy-duty front jack. There are stake pockets and tie-down points along the side of our trailer. There are heavy-duty diamond plate fenders, as well as pressure-treated wood flooring. Coming along to the rear of our trailer, there are the King Kong ramps. These are the small version of the King Kong ramps. This trailer does have LED brake lights. Your ramps are held up in a flip-up system with spring assist, and you have an arm lock that you can secure with a pin. This trailer does also have two 7,000-pound axles on 16-inch wheels and tires. This trailer is a dovetail as well. We have the corrosion repair paint to reducing its wear. Our front jack does have a chain box. These are the 12,000-pound jack. Once again, this is a 7x18 Gooseneck equipment trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.